A manual breast pump is simple, affordable, and very easy to use, especially if you're pumping occasionally or just need some quick relief. First, always start with clean hands and make sure all your pump parts are properly washed and dry. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and gently place the flange over your breast, making sure your nipple is centered. Now begin pumping slowly. Use gentle squeezes at first to stimulate your milk flow. Once your milk starts flowing, you can pump in a steady rhythm, squeeze and release, squeeze and release. Remember, pumping should never be painful. If you feel discomfort, stop and adjust the position of the pump. When your milk slows down, you can switch breasts or take a short break and repeat the process. Most moms pump for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. One of the best things about a manual pump is that it's quiet, portable, and perfect for travel or nighttime pumping when you don't want to wake your baby. After you finish pumping, carefully remove the pump, seal your milk, label it with the date and time, and store it safely in the refrigerator or freezer. Wash your pump parts again with warm soapy water and let them air dry. Mama, whether you're building a milk stash, relieving fullness, or preparing for work, a manual breast pump can be a wonderful support for you and your baby.